Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a full get ready with me. I'll be showing you how I do my makeup, how I install my wig from Rpghair. I absolutely love this wig. I love the lace that comes with this wig. It's so invisible and the hairline is just amazing as well. So I'll be showing you my hair, my makeup, my outfit, my perfume, literally everything all in one. So make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Also, when it comes to my wig, like I said, this wig is from Rpghair and I'm working with the 360 body wave lace front wig. The length of the wig is 20 and this is 180 density, so I really like the density. I've literally not done much to this wig. I've just installed the wig straight out of the box, literally. So if you guys want to see how I got this whole look together, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. I'm just gonna go ahead and install this wig. As you guys can see, this is what the hairline looks like and the lace looks really good as well. So this is the HD lace front wig and like I said, it's a 360 wig, so it goes all the way around.
Just pulled up to the house. Lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break?
You guys can see, guys, this lace is everything. This literally looks like my scalp. It looks so good. So I'm done installing this wig now. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my makeup and then come back and style the wig. The weather today is really hot today and I'm actually going to a concert. I'm going to Tiwa Savage, which I'm excited about, but because I tend to sweat a lot around my lip area and my cheeks especially, so I'm going to be using this 3B face saver gel. So this is a facial antiperspirant. Is that how you say it? Antiperspirant. So this is basically supposed to help you, to stop you from sweating, like excessive sweating around your face. So I actually got this when I was going to Cancun and this really helped me because Cancun was so humid and this stopped me from sweating and just kept my makeup on as well. So I would really recommend this if you have oily skin or if you tend to sweat around your lip area, because I do. So yeah, so I'm just gonna wait for that to dry and get a bit tacky and then I'm gonna apply milk of magnesia. Basically, if I wasn't going to a concert and I was just going, you know, on a day out type of thing, I would use my Milk Hydro Grip primer. But because I would like my makeup to stay on throughout today, I'm going to use my Milk of Magnesia. I've just poured some in here.
I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do y'all like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your.
You guys know how much I love the Morphe Glam Bronze in the shade Supreme, but it's been discontinued and mine is even broken, so I can't even get a new one, as you can see. So I picked up this new bronzer that they have and it's not really the same. It's not giving what this gives. It's just, you can't compare. So I'm really hoping and praying that they manage to bring this back, because this is what we need, not this. This is, forget this, it's not doing it, but this is what we need, this right here. But I'm gonna use this to contour my face. So this is the Morphe, Bronze Show in the shade 𝐶𝐞𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐥
Bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on.
I'm gonna add a bit of the Glam Bronze to my cheeks as well, just to, you know, add some warmth.
Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you
I'm gonna apply some blusher. This is the NARS blush in the shade Exhibit A.
proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do y'all like the sound?
I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and then come back and finish off my makeup. So I'm gonna apply the same powder all over my eyelid.
Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and style the wig now, and then we can get dressed. So I feel like because the hair came pre-plucked and pre-bleached, I'm just gonna wear the wig in its natural state. The hair is extremely soft and there's hardly any shedding.
My back. I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty.
This is literally the wig in its natural state. So I'm just gonna go back in with my hot comb. I don't really need to do much to it because I've already hot combed the top of the wig. So I'm gonna apply some wax stick. This is the Crown Beauty wax stick, and I really like this wax stick. It's so good. I feel like it just keeps your hair in place. The 𝐶𝐞𝐭𝐚𝐢𝐥 wax stick, I feel like it gets really greasy, and then after a while it's like your hair kind of, you start seeing the flyaways again. But I feel like with this one, your hair literally stays in place, like, and it just gives it that neat and put together look as well. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say, but
Brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a
and guys, the lace is everything. I'm gonna zoom all the way in so you guys can see how good the lace looks. Look at that. And this is how my makeup looks. If you guys are wondering what lip combo I have on, so I've used my Trendsetter lip liner with my Huda Beauty Demi Matte liquid lipstick, cream lipstick in the shade Day Slayer, and then I applied the e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in the shade Pink Paloma. So that's what I've got on. So that's my combo for today. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my outfit, and then that's the end of this video. And if you guys would like me to do an updated foundation routine, let me know, because I have switched up a few things as well. So yeah, there's just one last thing I need to do. I just need to apply some concealer. So this is the finished look. This is how my hair looks. This is how my makeup looks. I really like this hair because the hair is so soft. I'm literally just running my fingers through this hair and it's not tangling, barely any shedding. And I just like the wave pattern as well. So this is the hair in its natural state. I've not added any curls. I've not done anything to it. This is literally how it came. Okay, so this is the finished look. And guys, I'm actually redoing this video again. So the day I went for the concert, I was wearing a different top. I can't find the top, so I'm actually wearing a different top today, but I feel like this actually looks a lot nicer than the top I had on the actual day. So this is how I had my hair on the day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this hair clip that I got from Pretty Little Thing. So I literally had my hair like this, and I feel like this is perfect if you're going for a concert, because you guys know it gets really hot and it gets really sweaty as well. So, and then I wore these glasses as well that I got from Pretty Little Thing. Apparently these are like the dupe for Cartier glasses. I don't even know what the Cartier glasses look like, but I like these. So this is literally how I had my hair and my makeup and my glasses and everything. So the glasses are from Pretty Little Thing. My earrings are from Shein. I'll try and get the link to everything and link it down below. My necklace is Vivienne Westwood. My wristwatch is from Michael Kors, and then my bracelets, the first one is from LV and the second one is from Camellia London. So yeah, I'll just try and link everything down below. So moving on to perfume, I'm gonna be mixing my 𝐤𝐠 Libra perfume and the Kayali vanilla perfume. I absolutely love this perfume. It smells so good. These two together, mixed together, smells really lovely. So
mixing the layer.
So when it comes to my outfit, my top is from ZARA. I'm wearing a size small. My shorts are from Pretty Little Thing. I've had them since last year, so I don't know if I can still get the link. And I'm wearing a size 12, but I've had to get it altered around the waist. But yeah, and then my shoes are also from Pretty Little Thing. And then my bag is also from Pretty Little Thing, which I got last year. I'm not really a big fan of mixing gold and silver, but it is what it is. It's just a bag, okay? So yeah guys, let me know what you think down below in the comment section. I think this is such a cute outfit, very comfortable, very free, and like I said, my slides are also from Pretty Little Thing. So yeah.